Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and who doesn't love a little rattan tray to just spruce up all your decorating?
This is by the brand YRMT, and it is the most beautiful little woven tray. I have been having the hardest time figuring out where I want to put this tray because I have a million ideas for it and it looks good everywhere in my house. Whether I want to put it on my dining table, have it in my new bathroom, in my bedroom, it looks so good and it is the perfect size to hold trinkets and a picture, maybe a plant. It is just the perfect little neutral piece to tie everything all together.
I completely love this little tray. I think it is perfect for all kinds of decorations, organizing, and it really is just that perfect boho touch to my home. And I couldn't be more happy with it. And that's my point of view.